Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this look right here. This look is super festive. It just screams Christmas. So guys, I really hope you all enjoy watching this video. If you all do, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. And if you all want to see how I create this look right here, then let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing that I'll be doing is priming my eyelids with some little bit of concealer. Alright, now that my lid is nice and primed, I'm gonna just set it with some setting powder. This is so that the eyeshadows, glide on well. Okay, so for the next step, I'm just gonna place some tape on my outer corners so that I get a nice wing. Alright, now moving on to my transition, I'm gonna use this brown right here and just place it on my crease. You can be as messy as you want with this, since we have the tape for security. Alright, now that the light brown is placed down, I'm going to go in with the darker brown. I'm going to use my contour shade for this. Alright, now that we got all the brown colors placed down, I'm going to use some concealer and carve out my eyelid. And now taking the same translucent powder and setting the eyelid. Alright, now that the cut crease is done, I'm going to go in with some red shimmer and create a wing. Now that I've got an outline of a red wing, I'm going to go in with some glitter and place it over the wing. Alright, now that the wing is done, I'm going to remove the tape. Alright, now that I'm done with the upper eyelid, I'm going to go into the lower lash line, and for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with some green kajal. Now that I've got the kajal placed down, I'm going to go in with this green shade right here and set my waterline. Now, if you want a more natural, wearable look for Christmas, I think this is it. You should just stop right here. But I want to create some Christmas lights on my eyes to give it a more Christmassy vibe. Taking a little bit of gel eyeliner on my tiny eyeliner brush. Alright, now that I've got the wire placed down, I'm going to create some Christmas bulbs. Now going in with the white eyeliner to create some bulbs. Alright, and now adding different color lights to the bulbs that we've created on our eye. Alright, now moving on to lashes, I'm just going to apply some Maybelline Colossal Mascara on my eyelashes. Alright, now to finish off the look, I'll just place a pair of false eyelashes and be right back. Alright, now that this eye is done, let's get on with this eye since I'm feeling this eye is pretty empty. So all I'm gonna do is create a Santa's hat above my brow. Alright, so for lips, I'm gonna outline my lips with some dark brown lip liner first. And now I'm gonna fill in my lips with some red lipstick. And this is the finished look. As you can see, this look is super festive and Christmassy. If this look doesn't get you in the holiday spirit, I don't know what will. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you all did, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.